all. Is voice audible? Good evening, everyone. Is voice audible? Okay, so let's take questions quickly, patapat. I am going to take a question from volume, surface and area. Okay, little big. Step by step we'll finish this. Good evening, good evening. So the question is, a student asked to make a model shaped like cylinder with two cones attached. Cylinder with two cones attached. Cylinder with two cones attached. This is the model which was asked to a student to make. Okay. Using thin aluminum sheet, the diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. Dia of model is equal to 3 centimeter. Diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. And total length is 12 centimeter. Total length is 12 centimeter. Okay. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, each cone has a height of each of the cone height is given 2 centimeter. Find the volume of the model. Find volume of model. Volume of model. Okay. So this is the question. Now here if you see, this is cylinder with two cones attached. So first we'll draw a figure. It is a cylinder with two cones attached, right? So I will first draw a cylinder like this. Then I will have two cones attached, one on up and down, because they are saying at the ends of the cylinder. Means one is at top and now this cone height is given to you 2 centimeter. This cone height is also given to you 2 centimeter. Total height is given to you 12 centimeter. Then what will be the height of this cylinder? Only the height of cylinder. Here this will be 12 minus 4, which is 8 centimeter. How I got? I left 2 centimeter, upper 2 centimeter, lower 2 centimeter. 8 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. Okay. After getting this, we have to find, here dia is given, convert this into radius. So R will be 3 by 2 centimeter. Diameter is 3 centimeter, radius will become 3 by 2 centimeter. You can take this as 1.5 centimeter if you want, or you can calculate by taking 3 by 2 only. Answer won't change. Now volume of the model. Volume of model has what? First it has volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of cone. You have to write a formula first like this, the total model formula, then you will find individually, then you will insert the values here, get. volume of cone, but how many cones are there? 2 cones are there, so I will multiply by 2. 2 into volume of cone, because 2 cones are there. Now tell me the formula. What is volume of cylinder given by? Pi r square h. Then what is volume of cone given by? 1 by 3 pi r square h. See, remember one thing, cylinder and cone are brothers. Cylinder, cone are what? They are brothers. Cone is made from cylinder only. If you take a cylinder like this, and if you cut this part, this whole part, look at there, cone is getting formed. So these two are brothers. If the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, then volume of cone is also pi r square h only, but it is 1/3 of the cylinder. You need to remember like this. Then sphere, hemisphere are brothers, sphere and hemisphere. So there will be similarity in the formulae of sphere, hemisphere, formulae of cylinder, cone. This you need to understand and remember accordingly, because so many are there, no? 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3. So how will you remember? If you remember like this, then you will keep in mind. Now here use pi value. You can keep at the end also, no problem. If you want, you can use now only. 22 by 7. Until and unless he asks you to take 3.142, don't take. Okay, 22 by 7 only use. If he is asking in the question to take 1.5 what is that, 3.142, then use that value only. Don't use 22 by 7. Be careful, follow the instructions given in the question properly. Okay, so now r square is what? 1.5 square. Then plus h, what is the height of the cylinder? 8 plus 1 by 3. Here also 22 by 7. Same thing, 1.5 square into h. What is h of the cone? 2. Actually what happened here, look at the values, whichever is same, you can take those values common. Now for example 22 by 7, same here and here. That means pi is out actually. 22 by 7 common. You can take before putting these values only. So I just went in a flow. Now here 1.5, 1.5. So you can take that also common into 1.5 square, because those two values are same. Write the remaining things. 8 will remain here from the first set, and from the second set you will remain with here 2, here 2, and here 1 by 3. So you will remain with 2 by 3. Very simple, right? So now your work will become easy. 22 by 7 into, if you want you can make it a fraction and calculate, or you can write like this only, 2.25. 15 square is 225. So 1.5 square will be what? 2.25. Very simple. Perfect squares will make your work easy. Then here 3 8s are, cross multiply this, 3 8s are 24 plus 2 divided by 3, which is 26 by 3. Correct. So now here you will have 22 by 7 into 2.25 into 26 by 3. So this whole thing, if you just calculate, multiply all the numerators, 22 into 2.25 into 26, then divide it by 21. So here you will multiply all the numerators. If you simplify this, you will get an answer around 66 centimeter cube. Because they are asking a value 66 centimeter cube. So any question from volume, surface area, this is the way you will present it. First, all these are given things. Given, whenever dia is given, immediately convert it into radius. Then write 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Then final product formula. This is final product. Then you can do separately and put the values, or you can start here only by writing formula like this. And don't forget to take a common, whichever number is same numbers. Pi will be same every time. So pi will come common in every question. Okay, but the remaining numbers you need to properly analyze the question and get it done. 66 centimeter cube should be your answer. Just check this. Jivita is saying 726 cm cube. Just check this. Jivita is saying see volume of cylinder, what will get? Pi r square h. What is that now? Pi into 1.5 square into h. H is how much? 8. So you will get it as what? 1.5 square 2.25 into 8 into pi. Simple. ಹೀಗೂ separate ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 18 pi will get this. 18 pi. This is cylinder, volume of cylinder. Now volume of cone. Volume of cone will be what? 1 by 3 18 pi. ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬೋದಲ್ವಾ 1 by 3 pi r square h. No, you can't, because the height of the cone was different, if you remember. Don't do like this, okay? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡೋಣ. ಇದು 1.5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ 2/3 ಇಂಟು ಪೈ, 2/3 ಇಂಟು ಪೈ ಇಂಟು 1.5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಅರೌಂಡ್ 1.5 pi. 1.5 pi. Now you add these two, that's all, right? 18 pi plus 3 pi. Why 3 pi? Because two cones are there, no? This is volume of one cone. One cone. So 2 cone means what? We will multiply 2 into 1.5, which will become 3. So this will become 21 pi, which is 21 into 22 by 7. This should give you 66. 7 ones are 7 threes are 3 into 22. This is one more way of doing this. So whichever way you feel easy, you do, but be careful about the calculation part. Where students struggle is this part only, calculating the numbers, multiplying those decimals, all these things. Clear now? Hope it is clear now. 66 is coming as answer from both the ways. Okay, 66 centimeter cube. Okay, let's take next question. Let us be little fast now. So whichever concept is little heavy to understand, I will take it slowly. If the concept is very easy to understand, we'll run. Okay, here you need to, this question is from circles. Okay, prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point. So we need to prove angle between two tangents. Angle between two tangents drawn from an external point. Drawn from an external point. To a circle is supplementary to the to a circle is supplementary. Learn this question properly. Very important question. This is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment. Supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact. By the line segment joining the point of contact. I am going to explain you each and every word here. That's how you will read the question. Point of contact at center. So here every word has a meaning. Okay, first focus properly now. What is going to happen? See, what is the meaning of this line? Angle between two tangents. That means there are two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle. So first you draw a circle, correct, then mark a external point, pull two tangents like this. You can pull two tangents like this. Let this be P, let this be A, let this be B. Okay, this is the meaning of first line. Angle between two tangents. Where are the tangents? This tangent and this tangent, right? Angle between two tangents supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of contact. Which are the line segment joining the point of contact? See this one. This line joins this point of contact and this is center, and here one more line segment joins the point of contact. So here I am able to see an angle getting formed at the center. Now this is the line which will join these point of contacts, correct? The white line, see this line, this line. Now here there is a triangle inside. This is a triangle ABD. What we need to do, angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary. What is meant by supplementary? You need to get 180 degree as your answer. What should be an 180 degree? Angle between two tangents drawn from an external point. Angle between two tangents. So which are those two angles? BOA, APB. BOA and APB should be equal to 180 degree. This you need to prove. To prove BOA plus APB equal to 180 degree. Just now confirm whether these are the angle between the two tangents. Of course, BOA and APB. BOA and APB. Okay. So these are the two angles between the tangents drawn from an external point. Now we know one thing. First, how to begin this? First, let's write. Now I am beginning proof. So slowly, just watch how to start this. So you can start saying draw a circle with center, O, all that, right? So first thing, you know what is this? PA, PB are tangents. Write this without fail. PA, PB are tangents. And now OA will be OA perpendicular to PA and OB perpendicular to PB. OB perpendicular to PB. What is the reason? Reason is, we know that radius and tangent, if they meet, they make 90 degree angle. That's why these two are perpendicular. So two angles are 90 degree. Which are they? This implies OBP is equal to OAP, and these two angles are what? 90 degree. These two angles are 90 degree. Till here clear? Yes. Just be calm, take your own time. These questions only you are struggling, right? Circles, triangles, volume, surface area, these only, right? So learn them properly. Now how will you deal with the question? This is how you are going to start. Okay, we got this. Now I am able to see this complete figure. Okay, complete figure, if you see, this is a quadrilateral. Look at that. 4 sides are there. Look at that. 4 sides are there. So it's a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? If you add 4 angles, then total sum is going to be 360 degree. Quadrilateral means you have to add 4 angles and you should write equal to 360 degree. Quadrilateral is 4-sided figure, right? Which are those angles now? Quadrilateral, I am going to write. One angle is OAP. One angle is what? OAP, OBP plus BOA and APB. APB equal to 360 degree. Correct. Now You have here two angles which are equal to 90 degree. Just substitute this. What is this? OBP. So here I will write 90 degree. Then I have OAP. Here I will write 90 degree. Remaining two angles you write as it is because you don't know the value. BOA APB equal to 360. Agree? Now if you add these two numbers, this will give you 180. If you shift this 180 here to the extreme right side, so you will have to subtract 180 in 360. Subtract 180 in 360. 1 second, I will write this side. So I have two angles, 90 plus 90, first two angles. Then remaining angles are APB plus BOA equal to 360. Now you see, these you keep as it is, you can't do anything. These two numbers you add and shift it here. So you will have to subtract, right? 360 minus 180. How 180? 90 plus 90 is 180. Remaining angles are APB plus BOA. And C. This is what they asked you to prove. Look at this. To prove BOA plus APB is equal to 180 degree. So very simple, like just see how many lines we wrote. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line and 4th line was our answer. These things only make you, you people are thinking these are only difficult to you. They are not difficult, it is about clarity of the concept. Very simple it is. Just you need to write this much. Clear? Let's take next question. So the next question is, prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A equal to 1. We need to prove this equal to 1. So your LHS is equal to secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. This is your LHS. Now if you observe one thing here you have secant A plus tan A. If you can make this term secant A minus tan A, if you just make that secant A minus tan A, then multiply, you will get secant square A minus tan square A. And we know secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. We know this. So you just need to make this term as a secant A minus tan A. Then simply only one solution is, now as if now whatever question is, if you go according to that, first you need to multiply this secant A inside here, inside. So I will multiply secant A into 1 secant A minus here secant A into sin A. Secant A into sin A. First term. Keep the second term as it is. Don't change that. Secant A plus tan A. Correct. Now observe here. This is secant A. You can't do anything. Keep it as it is. Can I write this secant A as 1 by cos A? Yes, I can write. Into here what I have sin A. Correct. Now this as it is again. Secant A plus tan A. Correct. So now what will happen here? This is secant A minus what is sin by cos tan A over. Then this is what? Secant A plus tan A. Very simple. So total A minus B into A plus B formula, A square minus B square, which is nothing but 1. Very simple. This is one way of doing this question. If you want to do it in another way also, you can do this question actually. How will you do in another way? I will write 1 by cos, then 1 by cos, sin by cos, Okay, there is another way of doing it, but this is the easiest way. This is easiest way. So simple question, right? See, this is given for 3 marks. Can you imagine? 3 marks question this is. Actually, you would have finished the answer in second step only. Just 2 steps, khatam, kahani. But still, I dragged it because 3 marks, right? Yesterday I told you. Look at the marks and start answering. If it is 3, drag it. At least 5 to 6 steps. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what you need to do. Okay, let's take one more question from trigonometry only. Sin A minus 2 sin square A divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A. I think this must be 2 sin cube A, not sin square A. Illi cos cube anta ide alva, adike I am thinking this is cos cube only, sin cube only. Here it is given as sin square. I think the question is wrong. So let us make this 2 sin cube A and do. Okay, just thinking. You have to prove this as a tan A. So you all know what is tan A given by sin A by cos A is tan. Correct. And if you observe here, numerator is sin, denominator is cos. This is very, very simple. You just need to, bring it in this format ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತಂದರೆ ಮುಗದೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಟೇಕ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಕಾಮನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದೆನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 1 minus 2 sin square a ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ 2 cos square a minus 1. ಓಕೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ, ಸೊ 1 I have written here. Here it is sin a, 1 I wrote. Now can you see sin a by cos a is here? Just look at this one. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಿಂಗೋ, ಡನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರೀಸನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. 1 minus 2 sin square ಎನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, 2 into, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏನದು cos square a, can I write the only cos square a part as, can I write this part as 1 minus sin square a anta, 1 minus sin square a, then this minus 1 as it is, this minus 1 as it is. Okay, because we know, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್, we should know. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to what? 1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 1 minus sin square a ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೈ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾವು 1 minus sin square a. Now next thing is I need to multiply this 2 inside here to both of these. So I will write here tan a as it is. Then this part I won't change. 1 minus 2 sin square a ನೇ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನು. Then I will just multiply here. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 sin square a. Then here I have minus 1. ನೋಡಿ ಮುಗದೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. Finally we got the answer. Tan a, up we have 1 minus 2 sin square a. Down also ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ, you just observe here, it is 2 and minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be what? 1. Then this middle part is what? 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a. Can I cancel these two? Yes sir, you can cancel without a doubt. I can definitely cancel. So what is your RHS? Your RHS is just tan A. Bingo. You are done. Simple. Trigonometry madak ontara different Josh you should have. Trigonometry is everything. You will be able to see clearly there in the question. Just you need to observe it, and there are some tactics, like I told you, right? When I said tan A, I wrote it in sin A by cos A. So my first target was sin A by cos A. That's why I took a common here. Not in a target, I reached my target here only. Then I wanted to remove this. So I will definitely remove it. Because if I know the formulas properly, then I will be able to remove it. That's it. Correct? Hope you understood, everyone. Am I going fast? Is it okay? So both the trigonometric questions were very, very easy. Yeah. Okay, now one more question is coming from circles. One more question is coming from circles. Okay. So two concentric circles are of radii 5 and 3. Two concentric circles are there. Concentric circles means what? Center will be same, but the radii will be different. ಈ ಥರ. Okay, ಇದು ಅದು ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, that ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, that like that it is. Those are all concentric circles. Archery, even archery also, right? I'm not sure whether it is archery or not. Okay, maybe. So ಆ ಥರ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆರ್ಚರಿ ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು. That's it. So now the radii is 3 and 5. So I am very sure that the radii of the smaller circle is 3 centimeter and the radii of the bigger circle will be 5 centimeter. So illinda illige hinge 5 centimeter. Correct. Now to finish this figure, okay, I will draw a chord which goes like this. They are asking you length of the chord only actually. So let me name this as A here, O here, then P here, B here. You need to find length of the chord. Length of chord. You remember one question we have done already in the previous question paper also like this. So length of chord is equal to what? AB, which is nothing but AP plus PB. AP plus PB. So you can now find out, here you have 5 and here you have 3. So this AP easily you can find out. AP will be equal to 4. AP will be equal to what? 4. How did you say this, sir? See, 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. They are called as what? Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. ಈ ಥರ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ Pythagorean triplets. So whenever you have a combination of 3, 4, 3, 5, so directly you can write the other missing number. But I suggest you not to do like this when the question is for 2 marks or 3 marks. This is, you do this, use this trick for 1 mark question and all. Now you show how it is 4. So we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. You have to show this. So using Pythagoras theorem to triangle, which is the triangle OPA. So you have your hypotenuse square, which is equal to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse is given 5 square, then base you want to find out, so write it as b square only, or you can take x also, no problem. And height is given 3 square. So here 25 is equal to b square plus 9. Shift this 9 here, you will get 25 minus 9 equal to b square. This is 16 equal to b square, but I want b, therefore I will put square root here, which is equal to 4. See, I told you, right? 4 you will get. Pythagorean triplet. 4 is. So once you got this 4, Now how much this will be? That will also be 4, because this is p is what? Midpoint, correct? Therefore length of chord will be 4 plus 4, that is 8 what? 8 centimeter. Yes, 8 centimeter. Bingo, you are done. Simple, 3 marks. Got it? Just very simple. Okay, let's take next question without a delay. Find the value of p for which the quadratic equation has two real roots, equal roots. Find the value of p. So what is the quadratic equation given? Px into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation given to you. You have to find the value of this p. First of all, this is not in a standard form. You make it, convert this, okay, bring it in standard form. Convert this to standard form. Make this look like a standard form. Okay, so px square, I am just multiplying px here inside. Px square minus 2px plus 6 equal to 0. Now some of you think that you should multiply this to 6 also. Okay, this will happen only in Pakistan, not in India, because that plus 6 is separate. You should not multiply. Who should get multiply? Only these two. Okay, so I am done. Now this looks like a standard form. What is your standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a will be p and b will be what? Minus 2p. b is what? Minus 2p. Just leave this x, then take remaining everything as b. Then c will be what? 6. What is given to you? They have given you that the roots are equal. If the roots are equal, then the discriminant will be 0, given d equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is a b? Minus 2p whole square. Minus 4 into p, a is p, into c is 6 equal to 0. So this here, don't make a mistake. First square the negative number. Minus 2 into minus 2 will become 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 square. Minus minus plus 4p square. Minus this will become 24p equal to 0. Shift the 24p to the right. So you will have 4p square equal to 24p. 3 marks question. So show them, right? You have to show the steps. You can cancel here, take common, all that you can do, but show the steps. Now what will happen here? This is p square and this is 24p by 4. So which is equal to 6p, and here it is p square. Now what you do, 1p from left side and 1p from right side you cancel. So here you are remaining with p and here remaining with what? 6. P equal to 6. This is how you will get. I will show you one more answer. Now you will get wonder. Suppose this is another answer. 4p square minus 24p equal to 0. Now some of you might have taken common, right? See here, 4 common and p common. If 4 and p are common, here only p is remaining and here 6 is remaining. Now what will happen? Two answers, 4p equal to 0 or p minus 6 equal to 0. Now here you will get p equal to 0 or you will get p equal to 6. Look at them. Here how much you got? Just p equal to 6. Means experiment the methods. See how you will get different answers for the same question. Now here you are clear, p equal to 6 is the answer. You are very much clear. But what about here now? Which will we say as answer? Is it p equal to 0 or p equal to 6? If you remember, we have done such type of question and I told you take this p value and put it in the given equation. So if you put in this equation, what will happen? Px square minus 2px plus 6 equal to 0. Now tell me, if you put 0 here, this will become 0 and this will become 0, this will. Now tell me, can 6 equal to 0 be right statement? No, it is wrong. Because 6 can never be equal to what? 0. That means p equal to 0 is invalid answer. I will consider p equal to 6 as the answer, which I had got by this method. This is different method and this is different method. That's it. Done. I'm just sitting very ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡೆದಂಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? Why I am excited? I should be excited because if I am only down, then you people will be. So first of all, I should be excited, so you will get excited. It's copy, right? Every student copy their, at least one of their teacher. They copy, definitely they copy. Clear this one? Good question, right? Two methods giving two different answers. Now let's go to trigonometry again. Wow. Okay. Applications of trigonometry. Okay. So what is happening? A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. Oh ho ho. There is a tower. Okay. Like this, there is a tower. And there is a straight highway leads to this tower. The man is sitting up there. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. He went up there. Now what he is going to do? He is observing from there. ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು ಹುಚ್ಚು ಇವನಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. So he is observing two cars at this point and there is one more point at this point. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ಕಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಇದು? 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಎಲಿವೇಶನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇದು 30 ಆದರೆ ಈ 30ನ ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಜಿಗ್ಜ್ಯಾಗ್. ಝಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಝಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ 30. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಝಡ್. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಝಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಝಡ್ಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇದಂತೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಝಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಝಡ್? ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್? 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. You know what to do after this, but writing figure is only the challenge to you. Work on writing figures. See, you have like these figures, or you have a very simple figures, or you have elevation, depression, combination also they may give. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇರೋದು. If you learn so much, then you are done, right? You will score out in that particular chapter, right? In every chapter, if you do like this, whichever is tough to you, if you run behind it and learn with that confidence, I will give you guarantee out is not a big task. Out is not a big task in mathematics. And one more important thing I wanted to tell you before solving this question. We'll see what happened actually. Like yesterday night I recorded a video. Okay. So this video was about that this one I had told you. What is that? How to finish the complete whole syllabus, math syllabus in 3 to 4 hours. This was about it. I recorded it Yes, Nisarga, we'll take this. I recorded it. Okay, I recorded the video. I think I started at morning 4 o'clock, then I finished it by 5 o'clock. I recorded it. Then I just, recorded uh, a different video also to upload like in the coming days also. So when the situation comes, I will upload. So this video I wanted to upload today because I had told it like almost 3-4 days back. So I wanted this to be uploaded today. It is important video. Then like daily morning I will have a class from 6 to 8. Morning class will be there, online class. So I finished that class. Then I have to reach office by 12 and all, like 12 o'clock, 12 to 9 is the timing. So after 9, so anyway now it is work from home, so no problem. So 12 o'clock my work will start. Till 12 I edited that video properly, bringing that some fantastic sound effect. The proper professional video editing was done. Then everything is done. I wanted to save it. I saved it, and you know what happened? While saving the video, means when I tapped on a save button, I don't know what happened. The complete video got deleted. Complete video. And one mistake I had done, I did not had a backup of that video because I was not thinking like it will get deleted. From my gallery also I had deleted it. Once the work was done, first I went to gallery, then I deleted it because I don't like to keep a lot of things in a memory. I want phone to be fast, phone to be clean. ಇವತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್, I just went to the main gallery. I don't know why I deleted. Then I just imported it to the video editing software. I started editing. I finished, and from the gallery I deleted. Then I just clicked on save. Complete video has gone. Then I was like, from 8 to 12, 4 hours editing. Because learner, I'm still learning, but I wanted to make it look different, look professional video kind of thing, not like the simple one. Correct. Gone 4 hours. Then I just I had a smile on my face. What can be done now? I just took a bath and sat for my work. Simple. Why I'm telling you this, many time in life this is going to happen with you also. Maybe you might have finished some work, okay, and you are at the end of saving it or submitting it. These things will happen in life. Something may happen, then it may go off like that only. So will you sit and cry? Will you worry? And will you think 4 hours I gave, man? 4 hour editing, 1 hour recording, 5 hours from the morning 4 o'clock I am doing it. Will you cry, or you will just smile and think, okay, it's okay, now fine, we'll record another video and that video will come better than this. It will come better than this. This kind of positivity you people should have. What happened, Einstein, you remember, right? So I think when he wrote theory of relativity concept, like it was not about just 5 years and all. Years together he had put into this, and he wrote a great thing and all. By somehow I heard that it got burnt, like his cat did something, the complete theory got burnt. But he did not sit and cry, he wrote it again. Nothing can be done, things will happen like this. I'm not sure whether it's Einstein or a Newton, but somewhere this story was heard many years back, so I don't know, but situation is true. So there are two options now: you sit and cry, or you start doing it again and think that what was done now was not that better, so what is going to come up will be better. So if you have scored less in Sahodaya, if you have scored less in midterm or in any FAs or unit test, whatever it is, that was not your best. The best is yet to come. So there is no point in sitting and crying. There is a point in trying harder, making it better. So this is the lesson you need to keep in your mind. This lesson keep lifelong, because you definitely will come across situations. I have come across this situation, I think 3-4 times actually, but I couldn't tell you because we were not in touch. Today again it happened. So why I smiled, because it has happened to me earlier also. So I just said, okay, no problem, we'll make it better. And actually I was not liking the video what I made today. I was not satisfied. Like, I wanted to do some more things in that, wanted to convey a message in a better way. So that is what ರೋಗಿ ಬಯಸಿದ್ದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್, somewhere in my mind I was thinking ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನು ಅಂತ. and you see what happened. Okay, so let's come to this question. So what is happening here now? Two angles you have. So what they are asking you to calculate, find the distance between the two cars. So this distance they are asking you to calculate. Take this as x, because this you need to calculate. Now when you want to calculate this, first focus on the bigger triangle. Here is your bigger triangle, and height of the tower is given 75 meter. This is given 75 meter, and let this be some O or any letter if you want, or you can just give a name to this as C. So let me write here B, and let me write here A, B, C in order from right to left. Okay, and let this be what? D. Now two angles are there, you have height. So I have told you, right, how you need to select the trigonometric function. That is only you struggle, no? Height equal to 75, and see this x is like, you need base. Now what you need to calculate? Base equal to question mark. Here only you need, right? Hypotenuse and all you don't want, doesn't matter. So which trigonometric function connects base and height? Tan. So we will use tan theta equal to opposite upon base. This connects, correct? So for both the angle we will use this only. So one side I will do tan 60 and another side I will do tan 30. So first let's take tan 30. So tan 30 is for this complete triangle, right? The bigger one. So in tan 30, what is the base? Base is AC. Base is what? AC. And what is the height? 75. What is the height? 75. If you take tan 60, tan 60 is only this triangle now. Only this triangle. What is base here? BC. BC. What is height? Same 75. Now what is this tan 60 given by? Root 3. And what is this now? 75 BC. Can I shift this BC here and root 3 there? Yes, I can do. So BC is equal to 75 by what? Root 3. BC is equal to 75 by root 3. Can I write this as 25 into 3 by root 3? Can I write this again as 25 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3? Now what you will get? 25 root 3 is your BC. BC is 25 root 3. Okay, come here now. You got BC. Now this is 25 root 3. Okay, actually you need to calculate the distance between two cars, means you need to calculate only this part. Now come to this and write what is tan 31 by root 3. What is this now? 75. Tell me what is AC. AC antandre complete this thing. So what is this? AC is BC plus ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ನಾವು 75. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ 25√3 plus what is your AB? AB you have taken as what? X, correct. So here you have 1/√3. Just cross multiply this to 1. 25√3 plus X is equal to 75√3. Now you want X only, no distance between cars. Shift this 25√3 here, which will give you 50√3. So X is equal to 50√3. That is distance between two cars, 50√3. Clear? Simple question, right? Just look at it, and if you have any doubt, please ask me. What's the time? 10:09. Okay, next one more question from applications of trigonometry. One more question. From a top of 7-meter high building, 7-meter high building, 7-meter high building. So draw a building which is 7-meter high. Say for example this is my building. So finish this building andre ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 7-meter height ಇದ್ರದ್ದು. This is 7-meter high. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಟವರ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೇಬಲ್ ಟವರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಕೇಬಲ್ ಟವರ್. So let me write cable tower here. Angle of elevation from the top of the building ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. Then there is angle of depression also to the foot of the tower. ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, this is combination of elevation and depression. Okay, this they have given you 30 degree, and this is given to you 30, and this is 60. This is 60, and this height is given to you 7 meter. This H you need to find out, the height of the cable tower. Height of the cable tower you need to find out H. Very simple question this is, correct? So you see now ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this triangle you will first focus, and you will also focus on this triangle. So again you will use tan only because height is given. You see, height is given, and they are asking you take this base as x. Okay, here h by x it will be. Tan 60 will be h by x. So tan 60 is √3 h by x, correct? So you need h, right? √3 into x will be your h, but we need x value, so I will find it from here. Tan 30 will be 7. Now the height is 7 here or here, anywhere you take, and this is x. This is again x, right? Because illi x idre opposite sides are same, no, rectangle or square. So x idenu 1/√3, and this will be what? 7 by x. Cross multiply, 1 into x will be x, and this will be 7√3. So your x value is 7√3, and your h you see here, √3 x andre 7√3 equal to h. 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 into 7 will be your h, that is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. So look at this, very simple. 3 marks ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. 21 centimeter. Now complete height. So complete height will be what? 7 plus 21, which is 28 meter anta kottidane. So take it as meter, not centimeter, everywhere meter. This complete height was asked, so 7 plus 21. Okay, Nisarga has given one question, we'll take that now. Okay, this will be last question of today's session. What is the question she has sent is, tangents PQ and PR are drawn to the circle. That means there is one circle, two tangents are drawn like this, and here 30 degree is given. A chord RS is drawn parallel to the tangent. Chord RS drawn parallel to tangent. Parallel to tangent PQ. Tangent PQ ಗೆ parallel ಆಗಿದೆ. So P here, Q here. Let this be R here. Now the line parallel to this tangent antandre we will start from R and will just write like this. Figure is sariyagi barililla nanu. Okay, I'll take just ee tara ankoli hinge ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ RS ಇದು, this is the chord. Okay, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, parallel to this one. Find RQS in degrees. Draw line through Q and perpendicular to Q. Draw RQS ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ RQS ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. We have to form R to Q ಬಂದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ Q to S ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. So this angle they are asking us to find out. This angle we need to find out. Okay, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಬಿಗಿನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಇದು, ಬಟ್ ಹೀ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿಗಿದೆ, ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು, PRQ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು PQR. ಇದು ವೈ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. ಇದು angles opposite to equal sides. In 9th standard there was a theorem, angles opposite to equal sides are equal or sides opposite to equal angles are equal anta. That theorem is used. Okay, so let's mark this PRQ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು, PRQ, this one, PQR, this one. How these are tangents, right? We know length of tangent drawn from external point is equal. So ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಟೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಟೆಡ್. Now what will happen by doing this? Are you guessing what will happen? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ. You have 3 angles in this triangle. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು XX ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಯೂಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 180, ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್ 180. ಸೊ 2x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 150 ಆದರೆ x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 75 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮೈ PRQ and my PQR, both are equal to 75 degree. Both are equal to 75 degree. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು one part. But ನಮಗೆ we don't want this. We want here this angle. ಈ triangle ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ entry. This yellow triangle we need to get into. Actually there we have our angle. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 75. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. I'll just write the values here. Now you see here, now this is 75 degree and this is also 75 degree. Okay, so ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ 75. ಓಕೆ, ಆ 75ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಮೂನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಫ್ ಮೂನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? or else we can take RSQ SRQ 75 degree. ಆಗು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ wait PRQ PQR. ಓಕೆ, RS equal to RS parallel to PQ ಅಂದವನೆ. RS parallel to PQ ಹೇಳಿರೋದಲ್ವ. ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ 75 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ 75 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಅನದರ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 75 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ RQP ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಇದು RQP SRQ 75 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. RQP SRQ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? RQP SRQ ಅಂದರೆ SRQ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ QR and here SRQ is this angle 75 degree. ದೆನ್ RQP ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು P ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 75 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಎನಿವೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್ 75 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ SRQ. ಇನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ SRQ 3 angles, 75 plus 75 plus the third angle, take it as Y, equal to 180. So Y will be equal to what? 180 minus 150. So Y will be equal to 30 degree, which is your angle this. Which is that angle? ಯಾವ್ದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ನಿಸರ್ಗ? RQS. This is your angle RQS, 30 degree. So that's what they asked us to prove, I think. Yes, correct. No, Nisarga, that is only the question, right? Find the measure of RQS. 30 degree is the RQS. So this was just about the figure. First you focus on this triangle and get these two angles. After that use the parallel line concept. Then alternate angles you can write. Then you take this angle, add these two, this will be simply 30 degree. Hope it is clear, everyone. Hope it is clear, everyone. If Harsha has sent one question, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial whose zeros are 1 minus alpha 1 plus alpha and 1 minus beta 1 plus beta. If you have this one, no Harsha, always take a screenshot or send it. No need to type and all. Alpha and 0 polynomial of 3x square 2x plus 1 alva. What are the any doubt in this, Nisarga? Nisarga, you have any doubt? You understood? How angle RSQ is? Where is RSQ? Alternate angle. See, I will show you. We'll write figure little big and show you. Like this. Listen, Nisarga, carefully. This you got 75. This you got 75. And here you got this as what 75. See, these are parallel lines. This line is parallel to this one. They have given. Form the alternate angles, right? See, come like this. Go up. And see there. 75 degree. Got it? Same way you can take this now, this line. Here it is 75. See this line and here. Alternate. This will also be what? 75. These are alternate angles. Just try to form a Z letter, right? In that figure, you will get to know. It's alternate angle. Harsha, I think which angle 75? How? Okay, one more way you can think. One more way also you can think. One more way you can think like this. Anyway, now this is RS. So parallel line. Here also this will be parallel like this. Forget about that. Now think like this, right? This part is 75. This part is also 75. Now this angle is clear to you, right? You just go like this and here you see this is 75. This is clear to you. Now you want to get to know how this is 75, right? So this triangle given here, QRS, where is our Q? Here, this QRS is isosceles triangle. QRS is which triangle? Isosceles triangle. So if it is isosceles triangle, then angles opposite to equal sides, angles opposite to equal sides will be what? Equal, right? Angles opposite to equal sides will be what? Equal. Correct? So sides opposite to equal angles of triangle are equal. This we know. Now these two are equal angles. In this triangle, this is 75 degree. To this we have this angle opposite, and these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. They have not mentioned isosceles, right? But you see, in a circle, if any triangle is constructed by taking a help of a chord, then it will be isosceles only. Chord plus other two sides. Other two sides. It is isosceles. These sides will be equal only. These sides will be definitely equal. Therefore, we can consider that concept. So this 75 I got from alternate angle concept. Then opposite to this is this one. So I will take this as also 75. I think your doubt is clear. That is isosceles triangle only in a circle. In circle it will be isosceles triangle only. Therefore we can use that concept and equate these two angles. Therefore 75, third angle is x equal to 180, which is x 180 minus 150, which is 30 degree. Correct? Hope your doubt is clear now. That is isosceles triangle, remember. Because of that only you were missing. Yes, that's why you are missing. Okay, Harsha, your question will take tomorrow, huh? It's already 10:30 now. We'll stop here. We'll take tomorrow your question. Okay, others also, if you have any questions, you can send to WhatsApp here directly. To my number. I will take them here while doing these questions. So don't keep the doubts with you. Whichever question you have, like while practicing and all, if you get anything like that which you are not able to solve, just take a photo of that. You can send anytime. When there is a session, I will take that question and explain it to you. Okay, so let's wind up then. Bye bye, take care, good night. So is it hope these sessions are helping you. Immediately after finishing my work, I am sitting with you people because I genuinely want to help you in this journey. We have time, still time is there. You can become perfect in this subject and you can target 100 out of 100 now also. You can definitely target 100 out of 100. Okay, take care, thank you, and keep put at least you people can just go and put a comment below the video also, right? After this session ends, just put some comment there, something like it was good, how it is, or how the session is helping. You can write about that also, because there are many students who will see your experience, like what you write, then they open that video. correct. There might be useful information inside the video. Until and unless they get inside the video, how will they get to know? So they will read your comment, right? So if you write session is helping, we solved 10 questions today, we solved 20 questions today, anything, or you can talk about the concept which was tough to you, after the session it became easy to you, like this, one or two lines, nothing will happen. It just takes around less than 1 minute of your life. That's very, yesterday's video I asked you to put a comment, but nobody has done that. Just put you are helping your juniors or other school students or other students indirectly by just putting those words there, correct? Okay, anyway, take care, thank you so much, bye bye.